If you want to expand out what you can insert inside of a Figjam file, then you can use plugins. So to do that, you can click on the three dot icon right here, and here you can see plugins is an option. So once you click on plugin, what happens is that you can see what plugins has been installed. So you can click on the plugin right here, and what happens is that you can go around and then use the plugin out. So you can go around. So I'm going to go around on and create a text box. So if you were to click over here, you can see that this is the UniPaste plugin right here. Similarly, you can go around over here, and let me just close this. I'm going to click around over here, go to plugin. You can go around into explore so that you can see different plugins right here. So over here, you can see that there's color picker for Figjam right here. There's polls right here. So you can simply go around right here and click on the plugin that you want to run right here and click on run. So you can open up the palette right here, and there you go. There is the paint palette, as you can see right here. So you can go around and select the color you want, just like this. So similarly, you can go around right here. You can see more details in the community as well and install out different plugins according to how you like it. And that is how you can use out plugins inside of a Figjam file. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.